Stop wasting hundreds of dollars on multiple streaming subscriptions just to watch your favorite football team. Welcome back to TechVibes. Watching every live game is usually a total nightmare because of blackouts and expensive bundles. You normally need a mix of Amazon Prime, Peacock, and YouTube TV, which can cost you over $800 a year. That is way too much money to spend just to see a kickoff. There is actually a secret way to get every single live game in one place without the high price tag. The solution is called NFL Game Pass. This service is basically the Netflix of football. It offers every live game with no blackouts and includes American commentary in English. The catch is that the NFL only offers this specific version to people living outside of the United States. If you try to access it normally, you will be blocked. But you can easily bypass these restrictions by using a VPN. A VPN allows you to change your digital location so it looks like you are browsing from another country. I recommend using ExpressVPN because it is fast and reliable for high-definition streaming. Once you have your VPN installed, you need to set your location to a country where Game Pass is available. Germany or the United Kingdom are usually great options for this. After your VPN is connected, head over to the DAZN website. The NFL partnered with them to host the Game Pass service. Since your VPN is active, the site will think you are an international viewer and grant you access. You can even watch preseason games for free to make sure everything is working correctly. This is a great way to test your connection before you commit to a full season subscription. The cost for the entire season is usually around $20 a month. That is a massive saving compared to traditional cable or domestic streaming packages. You get every regular season game and the playoffs all in one single app. You get every regular season game and the playoffs all in one single app. If you are having trouble loading the page, try using the Chrome browser and clearing your cache. You should also make sure your VPN is turned on before you open your web browser. Watching on a big screen is also very simple. You can use an HDMI 2.1 cable to connect your laptop directly to your television. Another option is to install the VPN app and the DAZN app directly on your Fire Stick or smart TV. If your internet feels slow, you can try changing your DNS 8.8.8.8 settings to improve your speed. Make sure your device is connected to a fast 5 GHz network instead of a crowded 2.4 GHz band for the best experience. This method is the smartest way to enjoy the season without jumping between 5 different apps. It is practical and saves you a ton of cash. No more frustrating blackouts or missing out on the biggest plays of the year. You now have the key to watch every game like a pro. Thanks for watching TechVibes.